from whatmybabyneed.com. Hi kids, today we are going to meet a family of cow and get to know more about them. Hi there, my name is Jessie the cow. Yes, that is my sound. And now you are going to meet my family. Visit my place and see all those I do.
Get ready for the cow ride.
This is me and my little baby. We call her Calf, Cow and Calf. Me and my husband, he is Bull. He is more muscular and aggressive than me. This is my home. This is where I live. We call it barn, the cow barn. I eat a healthy vegetarian food. My food is usually grass and hay. I give milk. Milk is healthy for you. You should drink a lot of it. From milk you get butter, ghee, cheese, curd and more. From my skin they produce a lot of music instruments. Some of these are Abchico, Avalchenda. For more of Talking Animals videos, see this playlist and my YouTube channel. Visit www.whatmybabyneed.com for more downloadable contents.